Close your eyes and sit, listen, Barnaby. Listen, Barnaby. Put on your Sunday clothes, there's lots of world out there. Get out the brilliant teen and dime cigar. We're gonna find adventure in the evening air. Girls in white, the perfume night, with the lights as bright as the stars. Put on your Sunday clothes, we're gonna ride through town in one of those new horse-drawn open cars. We'll see the shows at Delmonico's, and we'll close the town in a whirl, and we won't come home until we've kissed a girl.
I must say, your railway is quite lovely. We engines on the other railway long to be on a line where our controller isn't ruthless.
We appreciate the praise. We've been getting it every time a visitor arrives.
Did you happen to pass by any stations on the journey here? Like Edinburgh, or even London?
Why, yes, I went to London. I did come from there before turning around and taking my trip here. Nice station, if I must say. I take it you were in London once, Northeastern.
That is correct. I used to run trains in London before being brought to Sodor. It was always glorious whenever I entered the platform. Since you know the place as well, you know its name? What was it? King's Cross.
King's Cross?
Is there something wrong?
Yes, you said something wrong.
What do you mean? It's called King's Cross. It was always in the northeastern part of British Railways and the Big Four. How would you know it's not called King's Cross then,
London is Euston! Everyone knows that by now!
Euston? That's total rubbish. It's King's Cross and you know it, you sodding tic-tac.
Oh, you both are a bunch of morons. London is called Paddington. I would know. I worked that on the Great West.
Paddington?
You're dense in the head if you think it's Paddington, Montague.
My dear engines, you really don't know your damn stations.
You know
I
what?
can't believe a grand
Sleeping with
news
trucks
is
isn't a bad idea
stupid.
anymore.
And I would
Come on,
never
you sods.
believe some uncommon... It's called Paddington.
Uncommon shunter. Let me tell you something, you big twat. You big engines are all so damn pompous. You treat us like engines like peasants.
I've wasted my time for hours hearing you both yap away with your stupid comments and insults. London is Euston. End of discussion. Now, if you don't mind, I have a train to collect. Ta-ta!
Stupid thing. Wasting my damn patience all night.
Stupid yourself, you big galloping sausage. London is Paddington. Paddington, do you hear? Or are you deaf?
Can you both shut the fuck up? You're ruining my sleep.
Yes, quite.
Yeah, I was having the greatest dream ever too.
London isn't even called Euston anyway.
Let's get out of here.
Bunch of cunts.
Yes, quite.
I know it's still King's Cross, and I'll prove it.
I love those dear hearts and gentle people who live in my hometown, because those dear hearts and gentle people will never ever let you down. They read the good book from Friday till Monday. That's how the week can go. I've got a dream house I'll build there one day, with picket fence and rambling road.
Oh dear, I'll never get there. What was that noise?
Hello? What's happened?
That stupid engine fell into the turntable well. Driver didn't see if it was even turned to the line either. No other engine can come in or out. I'll talk to the station master, and he phoned the Fat Controller. He agreed to let you take the train to London, if you're up for it, of course.
Fine. We'll show them what the Fat Controller's engines can do.
Well, come on, let's go!
Welcome back, Gordon. I saw you on the front cover of the papers. I expect you enjoyed yourself, did you?
No, sir. I didn't enjoy my visit.
Why ever not? I assumed you would have been overjoyed to be back at the station your old railway loved. What happened?
London is all wrong, sir. It's not King's Cross, or Paddington, or even Euston. It's St. Pancras.
Motherfucker.